Now you are going to draw and learn how to draw a ray diagram of a concave mirror when the object is beyond C. First we shall mark the points. This point is center of curvature, which is represented by C. This point is called focal point, and this point is called pole, which is considered as the midpoint of the mirror. Now we shall take an object beyond C. How could you take an object beyond C? Beyond C means back side of the C. So this is C, means center of curvature. I am taking an object beyond C. So I considered an object is here beyond C, and I am drawing a line with the help of this rule lines. I have taken the object is to the second rule line. Next, now the light ray from this object gets reflected and becomes parallel to the principal axis and strikes the mirror. When this ray strikes the mirror, any light ray which is parallel to principal axis reflects back and passes through the focal point. Next, we have learned that any light ray passing through center the same direction. So the light ray is coming through C, comes to the mirror and reflects back in the same direction. And you see, the image is formed at this point. Now I am going to draw the image. Image is formed here and it is inverted. When we consider to the size of the object to the size of image, the size of image is formed is very smaller. Okay, fine. So don't forget to mark the direction of the light ray. So we have already learned that any light ray of curvature reflects back in the same direction. So this is the point we have learned, and with that we have constructed the ray diagram, and we can see the image is formed between C and F. First we shall write the position of the image. Image is formed between C and F. The second point, what is the nature of the image formed? Nature of the image formed is inverted. So the nature of the image formed will be real and inverted. Next, third point we have to write about is, first is position, second is nature, third one is size. What happened to the size of the image form compared to the size of the object? It is smaller. So we should not write smaller. The word to be used is diminished. So in the previous we have learned anything which is on the left side of the mirror, the distance is considered to be negative. On the right side to the mirror, it is considered to be positive. And above the principal axis, the height of the object or image is considered as positive, and below the principal axis we consider it as negative. So according to this situation, the focal length of concave mirror is always negative, because the focal length is onto the left side of the mirror. It is between F and P, and it is negative distance, left side. Next, where is the object? Our object is on the left side, so its distance is considered to be negative. And image is also formed on the left side of the mirror. So image distance is also considered to be negative. Height of the object. Height. The object is drawn above the principal axis, so the height of the object is considered to be positive. Next, height of the image. This is the image. An image is below the principal axis, so image height is considered to be negative.